Hello to my fellow history lovers, people with curious minds that like to learn. I am author Eileen Schnabel, author of the Kep Westguard Time Travel to the American Revolution series, and we made it, day 6 of 6. And this is the last question. The night before the war started, many writers helped warn the colonists that the British troops were marching on Concord. Who was the most famous writer that night? And that would be none other than Paul Revere. And what you might not know is he actually took a boat first. So he actually had to get past a British warship long before he was on his horse. Then he has to take his horse and more in the countryside. He is arrested. And I love this line. It says, "You go an inch further, you are a dead man," swears the British officers that captured Paul Revere. And then, of course, very important, he warns John Hancock and Samuel Adams that they themselves may well be on the British hit list. So now I want you to imagine that you are a time traveler and you want to change the outcome of the American Revolution, so you kidnap Paul Revere. And he is not able to warn the countryside, and he isn't able to warn Sam Adams and John Hancock. That is the premise of One If by Land, Two If by Submarine, which is the very beginning of the Kep Westguard series. So anyway, if you're here still, thank you. I appreciate it a lot. I know that I know a lot more by the time I got to question 6 of 6. I hope you learned something too. My dad always says, any day you learn something new is a good day. So it was a good day, a good 6 days. Anyway, thanks for letting me share, and I will see you tomorrow.